A Ana de Smart Mind é uma escola canadense que oferece cursos de inglês, francês e imigração. Os vídeos estão em inglês ou francês para você se acostumar com a pronúncia. Os professores que sabem português vão te ajudar.
You know that you and only you will improve your language skills. We are here to help you. Canada's Smart Mind will guide you through all the difficult things and will show you all the steps to have very good English in order to get a high score to pass through Canadian immigration. So, let's begin now. There are 4 aspects to increasing your fluency: grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. Of course, you will feel different impacts from them depending on the type of person you are. Visit our website to have a more specific approach. You know that later is better than never, so act now and start doing a difference in your life. Imagine your speaking skills opening the track for you to pursue your dreams and build a better lifestyle. To achieve this, we will help you. You are going to have grammar and pronunciation. Now, let's see some grammar.
Gerund. Ing form. We make the ing form by adding ing to the base verb and adjusting the spelling as necessary. Work, working, sit, sitting, smoke, smoking. We use the ing form in various ways as shown below. Ing form for continuous tenses. The ing form is used in past, present, and future continuous tenses. For example, Anthony was fishing. The boys have been playing tennis. We will be working when you arrive. Ing form as subject, object, or complement. We can use the ing form as the subject, object, or complement of a clause. For example, smoking costs a lot of money. I don't like writing. My favorite occupation is reading. Sometimes the ing form can also have an object itself. In this case, the whole expression ing plus object can be the subject, object, or complement of a clause or sentence. Smoking cigarettes costs a lot of money. I don't like writing letters, and I hate reading emails. My favorite occupation is reading detective stories. Ing form with adjectives and determiners. Pointless questioning, a settling of debts, the making of this film, his drinking of alcohol. Note that when we use the ing form with an adjective or determiner, it does not usually take a direct object. Compare these sentences. Making this film was expensive. The making of this film was expensive. Not the making this film. Ing form after preposition. If we want to use a verb after a preposition, it must be an ing form. It is impossible to use an infinitive after a preposition. So, for example, we say, I will call you after arriving at the office. Not I will call after to arrive at the office. Please have a drink before leaving. I am looking forward to meeting you. Do you object to working late? Tara always dreams about going on holiday.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
Ing form after certain verbs. We sometimes use one verb after another verb. Often the second verb is in the to infinitive form. For example, I want to eat. But sometimes the second verb must be in ing form. For example, I dislike eating. This depends on the first verb. Here is a list of verbs that are usually followed by a verb in ing form: admit, appreciate, avoid, carry on, consider, defer, delay, deny, detest, dislike, endure, enjoy, escape, excuse, face, feel like, finish, forgive, give up, can't help, imagine, involve, leave off, mention, mind, miss, postpone, practice, put off, report, resent, risk, can't stand, suggest, understand. Look at these examples. She will consider having a holiday. Not she will consider to have a holiday. Do you feel like going out? I can't help falling in love with you. I can't stand not seeing you. Some verbs can be followed by the ing form or the to infinitive form without a big change in meaning. Begin, continue, hate, intend, like, love, prefer, propose, start. I like to play tennis. I like playing tennis. It started to rain. It started raining. Ing form in passive sense. We often use the ing form after the verbs need, require, and want. In this case, the ing form has a passive sense. Look at these example sentences. Notice that this construction can be in any tense. I have 3 shirts that need washing. Need to be washed. I sent it back to the shop because it needed fixing. Needed to be fixed. This letter requires signing. Needs to be signed. The contract will require signing tomorrow. Will need to be signed. The house wants repainting. Needs to be repainted. Your hair's wanted cutting for weeks. Has needed to be cut. Note that the expression something wants doing is used more in British English than in American English.
Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Now, let's see some pronunciation. To pronounce beautiful sounds, you have to pay attention to vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth, and nose and consonants posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to faint the sounds. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times as you feel comfortable. Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link, and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to be in touch with us. Keep up there, and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.